Hello my Foodie Phonics friends, how are you all today? My name's Cal and I'm going to teach you all the letters of the alphabet and the sounds that those letters make in words. But we're going to learn the sounds of those letters cooking with food. We're going to have so much fun with our Foodie Phonics lessons. Are you ready to sing your alphabet song so we can learn the letters of the alphabet together? I'm going to use this little board over here so you can see the letters nice and clearly. Are you ready to sing along with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC, next time won't you sing with me? The very first letter that we started singing our alphabet song with was letter A. Now letter A makes lots of different sounds in words, but we're only going to learn the one sound today, and that is the A sound. Let's have a look what I have on my table. We'll start right over here with this board. I have this colour for you that starts with an A sound. It's aqua. A for aqua. I have another colour on the other side. Oops, I'll just move my alphabet board and find the other colour for you. Come down over here. There it is over there. Oopsie daisies. There we go. That colour is amber. A for amber and aqua colour. I also have some pictures at the back here that start with an A sound. This little A for animal is called an ant. This little man dressed up in a suit is called an astronaut. And I'm sure you all know what that fruit up there is called, an apple. Now this one's a little bit tricky. That one is an alligator. All these words start with an A sound. Shall we say them again? Ant, astronaut, alligator, apple. Those are A sounds starting with those words. I'll put my book back over there and we'll have a look at this book. This man is jumping over hurdles and running really fast. He is called an athlete. A for athlete. Righto, I think you're ready to start cooking. Remember I said we're going to learn all about different foods with the sounds of our letters? Well, I have two different fruits for you to look at today and cook a lovely meal with. Both of my fruits are cut in half already. I'm sure you know what this one is. Apple. A for apple. This one is an avo. A for avo. Its real long name is called avocado, but today we're going to call it avo, and the food that we're going to make is called apple avo appetizer. Now be sure to get an adult to help you make your appetizer because you might need to cut the fruit into small pieces to make it easier to eat. Let's begin. I have my bowl over here to put my apple avo appetizer into. Got my knife over here. It's not a sharp knife, it's a blunt knife. I've already cut my apple with little grooves, so I'm just going to push the blunt knife into those little grooves. Whoopsie daisy, my apple jumped onto the floor. I won't eat that one, I'll have to throw that piece into the bin. There we go, that's it. There are my apple pieces. I'm going to put them into my bowl to make my appetizer. And here is my avo. I've cut it in half so that I can already cut the squares into my appetizer. Using my blunt knife, I'm going to make straight lines down and then lots of straight lines across. Remember to ask an adult, A for adult, to help you make your apple avo appetizer. Now, I'm going to use my spoon to help me scoop out all the avo pieces into my apple avo appetizer. Wow, look at that. Doesn't it look delicious? There you have apple, avo, appetizer. Would you like me to have a taste while you're with me on my program? All right, here I go. It's delicious. The crunchy apple and the soft avo make a tasty blend of appetizer for my tummy. It's a very healthy food to eat too. Tomorrow we're going to make some food with the next letter of the alphabet. After A came letter B. I'll see you then, boys and girls. Bye for now.